everyone, it's Rachel from JR Couponer, and if you're new here, welcome to our channel. We do a lot of Ibotta hauls and different couponing hauls, and if you guys aren't new here, then I just wanted to say I hope you guys are having a good holiday season. I haven't been making a video in a while because of our different bonuses. We haven't been getting that many high value bonuses, but I'm really excited about this deal because there are some great money makers to be had. So let's get started. I wanted to start off with a couple deals I don't have pictured, but I did do them and I just don't have them with me on hand. You're going to go over to the Hallmark cards, and they have some for 47 cents. Shopkick is giving back $1 worth of kicks, making it a 53-cent moneymaker. The Dixie paper plates, the 38 count, they are $2.98. If you go on to Dixie's website, there's a 75-cent off manufacturer coupon. And then Ibotta app is giving back $1. And then I checked on Savings Star and I also have $1 back, making it just 23 cents. The next deal is on the Pringles Wavy. They're $1.44, and then Ibotta has $1.44 back. And keep in mind, you don't have to get the variety that's pictured. The one that I got was actually just the original kind, but it was wavy, and they were really good, so I highly recommend those. Then the last deal that I have that I actually already ate was the Oikos Greek yogurt. It's $1, and then Ibotta's giving back 50 cents, making it just 50 cents. So now let's move on to the items that I have in front of us. So the first deal is on the York pudding. It is $1.18. Ibotta's giving 40 cents back, making it just 78 cents. It's the same exact deal for the Hershey's pudding. I got the white chocolate variety. It is $1.18, 40 cents back on Ibotta, making it 78 cents. And then the Jolly Rancher gelatin is $1.18. Ibotta has 35 cents back, making it just 83 cents. The next deal is on the Poise Active Liners. I'm sorry, these aren't the liners, they're the pads. But you can also get the liners according to which coupon you have, but I already used all of my liner coupons, so I used the coupon from the insert. So this is the 18 count of the Poise Active Pads, they're $4.84. There's a $2 manufacturer coupon in an insert. I believe it's the 12/8 Smart Stores. If it's not, I will leave it down below in the description. But as always, you can just check a coupon database. And then the Fetch app is giving back $2, and the Ibotta app is also giving back $2, making it a $1.16 moneymaker. You guys just want to check out the Poise website. I already printed all the coupons I could on there, but I'm pretty sure they had a $3 off coupon, so just check the website to see if they still have it up. I can't check because I already printed it on my computer. And then these Poise pads, move the thing. So the 30 count is $4.84, and then because these are different than the active, they have a different coupon. On their website, there is a $3 manufacturer coupon, and the Fetch Rewards app is giving back $2.25 worth of points, making it a 41-cent moneymaker. The next deal is on the Javalia coffee. You're going to buy a ground coffee bag and then one of these cafe at home packages. My parents already drank them and they said they were actually really good, this cappuccino variety, so if you haven't bought it yet, you should try it out. I'm not a coffee drinker, but they said it was really good and they wanted me to get more, so I'm going back to the store today. So these are $6.48 and $6.28, which totals to $12.76. There's a $1 peely found on this box right here. And then the Shopkick app is giving back $10 worth of kicks because there's a bonus when you buy two. Savings Star is giving back $1 for this box. And then the Fetch Rewards app altogether, when you scan the ground coffee and the cafe at home, is giving back $5. And the Ibotta app is giving back $1 on each one. So that makes it a $6.24 moneymaker. Even if you don't have Savings Star, it's still a really good deal. Regardless, even if you don't even have Fetch, it's still going to be free. So you guys are definitely going to want to pick up those if you haven't already. The next deal is on the Nissin Stir Fry Noodles. They're 78 cents and there's a 75-cent Ibotta, making it 3 cents. And I know we did have this a couple weeks ago or even a month ago, but it did pop up recently. So you guys just want to check your Ibotta app. As you probably already know, the mystery Oreos are $2.98, and then the Ibotta app is giving back $2.98, making them completely free. The Jergens Lotion, this is the 12.5 fluid ounce bottle. It is $3.48, and there's a $1.50 manufacturer coupon found in an insert. I'm going to link the coupon database I used down below, and I'm also going to write down the insert because I forgot to here. Ibotta's giving back $1, and then I had a 25-cent off any lotion on Ibotta, making it just 73 cents. This Stetson deodorant is on clearance, as you can see here, for $2.50. Ibotta's giving $3 back, making it a 50-cent moneymaker. You guys are always going to want to check out the clearance section because I did find this about a month ago and I did get it for free back then. And they just came out with another one, so you always just want to check clearance and always scan to see if they have any offers on Ibotta. The next deal is on the Tic Tac mints. If you printed the coupon on coupons.com, it was for $1.50 off of one of these. That matches with the $2 Ibotta, making it a $1.42 moneymaker. And if you didn't end up being able to print the coupon, it makes it 8 cents after Ibotta. So it's still a good deal either way. These Simple wipes, they are $4.46. Saving Star has a $1.50 back if you haven't already used it. There was a $2 Peely on my package. And then the Shopkick app is giving back 90 cents, and Ibotta's giving back $1.25, making it a $1.19 moneymaker. It is a better deal if you haven't used your Saving Star and you do have the cleansing, oh my gosh, what do you call it? The cleanser, sorry. It is a better deal if you get the cleanser in combination with this if you haven't used Saving Star, but for some reason my store doesn't sell the cleanser. Neither of my Walmarts that are local to me do, so you guys are just want to check that out to see if you have both, and it's a better deal if you get both because there's a bonus on Shopkick. Okay. The next deal is on the Godiva chocolate chips, and these were found in the Christmas baking section. I could not find them in the aisle anywhere, so just to give you guys a heads up. These are $3.47, Fetcher's giving back $1, and Ibotta's giving back $1, and Shopkick is giving back 500 kicks, which is equivalent to $2, making it a 53-cent moneymaker. Another deal that I don't have pictured because we actually donated this item already was the Hostess Donuts cereal. It is on clearance for $1.75. Ibotta's giving $1 back, making it 75 cents. Another deal is on the Honey Stinger Waffles. They are $1.18, and Ibotta's giving 50 cents back, making it 68 cents, and these were found near the exercise section. As you probably already know, the Aquafresh toothpaste is $1.67. Ibotta's giving $1 back, making it 67 cents. And the last and final deal is on the Knorr rice. You're going to want to buy the chicken fried rice and the Spanish style rice. Just check your Shopkick app to see which combination, if you don't like these flavors. They have different ones, but you do have to buy one of each specific flavor. So they are on clearance for $1.50, so two of them totals to $3. Saving Star has 75 cents off one, and Checkout 51 has 75 cents off one. Shopkick is giving back $3.20 worth of kicks, making it a $1.71 moneymaker. I did submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I did get an extra $1 for buying two of them. You guys are just going to want to check your Fetch Rewards. I can't see how much, if it's still available because I already redeemed it, but just double check because it is even a better moneymaker when you submit it to Fetch. So I hope you guys enjoyed these deals. Let us know if you guys get any of them yourself down below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.